Hi, welcome back to my channel. The ticking that you hear is the Haunted Mansion clock from Disneyland, and I do have the front door open. That's Bruce walking by. I am going to do a quick video because the sun's starting to come in through the front door over there. This is my Mickey and Minnie Happy Planner. This is a collaboration that Disney and Happy Planner did together here in the United States. I am using this as my, I guess, daily planner. This is my sticker book. I am not doing anything as of right now with the monthly layout. This is the first week of, or the last week of December, first week of January. And I guess I plan with white space, meaning I don't mind the white space. I am trying to use up all my stickers. So as I plan my day, or as the days go by, if I notice that there's white space, I will go through my mini sticker books and put a sticker down just to try to use up the space. The mail I keep on this side. This is the last week. Again, happy mail here. And then so you can sort of see how I did it. And again, ended up with some white space. So I went ahead and went through some of my stickers and put them down. There are bills under here, which is why I've got it covered. And this is for this week's. We did have a Disney bill, so I don't mind sharing that. Grocery list here. And so this is what my layout for this week looks like, as well as the past 2 weeks. And then under here, because there are playoff games this weekend, I decided to use Ariel, singing off playoff weekend. So that is what this planner looks like. It's a very quick flip through. I hope that helped you a little bit of how I plan and how you could plan, and how you don't necessarily need to cover the entire book with stickers, though I can see the fun in doing it. I like to keep my pages blank and plan as the day goes, just because I never know if I'm really going to have a busy day. And then if I don't, then I can go back either the next day or later that night and cover it up with stickers if I choose to do so. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!